Today is the day we finally go out to test Iron Man. If you're new here, I'm gonna explain to you what's in the truck. But before we do that, watch this clip of the previous draggy clip that I did. Here we go. Alright guys, now that y'all see those numbers, if you see this clip right here where I took my wife out for a ride, this is what happened and this is how we get here. You ready? And if you just saw that clip, we are now back. I have a new transmission in it from Showtime transmission and a 1800 to 2200 B&M stall converter. All right, so we finna go back out and retest this thing because it feels way faster to me. It definitely lights up a tire better. But before we do that, let's get a start up on this thing. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Yes, that is 350 cubic inches. So it's a 350, turbo 350 trans. Now with a shift kit in it. We finna see if the time gets any faster. Go ahead and leave your guesses down below. Go ahead and leave your guesses down below. You seen what it did, what you think it finna do now? My guess is we gonna do a 6 second 0 to 60. I can't remember what the 1/8 mile and quarter mile time was, but we definitely gonna shave some time off. But that 0 to 60 time, I remember it was an 8 something. So I'm looking for a 6 today, guys. Nothing else has been changed. Let's get into it. All right, guys. Unfortunately, I was in here editing this video for y'all, and none of my GoPro footage has sound. And my 360 camera did not record. I hit record, and it recorded for a couple seconds, and it went off. So I'm gonna still get y'all this video, but that just says I gotta double check my cameras and stuff just to make sure they record and make sure they got sound instead of just hooking them up and going. Never had an issue with them before, but yeah, so I just made this clip just to let y'all know. Video gonna be a little bit short, but I do have the intro part and the GoPro footage. Like I said, the GoPro footage didn't work and the 360 camera didn't work. The 360 camera was supposed to record the burnouts and stuff back there for y'all, but yeah, it didn't record. But we're gonna go back out and do it because I didn't get the time that I wanted. I think I can get a better time if I can get this thing to hook up. It spent so bad, but yeah, this is my formal apology for this video, but we still gonna get it up. Ain't quite what I wanted it to be, but we finna go back and shift it manually this time, guys. Oh, we spinning. That was the worst time because we spent, man. Y'all just saw the 2 clips, and looking at the times, I could definitely do better shifting it manually. But we're gonna have to go back out and redo it, man. But for some of the previous videos that I did getting this transmission back in, I'm gonna link them right here for you.